Hey guys, Phil here from Across the Pond Aquascapes. I'm in Washington's Crossing, Pennsylvania today, doing a rip out and rebuild of a small little pond. We're gonna make it a little bit bigger. Right now it's a 6x6, so we're gonna make it about a 6x7. So I got here a little late today. I had to take care of my son. I had to take him to a doctor's visit. But what I did was I had Al get over here. He started draining everything down. He started pulling it all apart, disassembling the old feature. So when I got here, all we had to do was start carving it out and start getting everything together. So let's take a peek at what we've got. All right, so as you can see, this is our hole right here. We have everything torn apart. There's still the old underlayment. They used a lot of carpet padding and what looks like some JoJo's famous steaks. I don't know how famous he is anymore. So we're gonna get in here, we're gonna carve it all out, we're gonna get everything in. Our waterfall box is gonna be going off in the back, and our skimmer is gonna be going off, or going in right in here. So we got Anthony with us today. Ready to work? All right. Alright, so we have beginning of day 2. Day 1, we actually got a lot accomplished. We managed to get the old feature drained, ripped out, removed, everything excavated, the new liner and underlayment in. Both of our boxes are set, and we managed to get pretty much about 90% of the pond rocked in. All that's really left is for us to do our edges, clean it out, and fire it up. So we're going to get in there, and hopefully by lunchtime we'll have this thing running. Alright guys, we're all finished. The project took us a little less than 2 days to complete. We had a lot of fun building it. I know the homeowner loves it, so I hope you guys enjoy.